Oh my God, that is so hot. Oh my God, I think I'm crying. There's chili on my finger as well. Holy shit. Oh my God. Has the spicy noodle challenge ever killed anyone before?
How many things can we do?
Let's see how we go. Today's challenge is spicy noodles and even spicier questions. Yes, I think my producer's been watching Hot Ones. So the rules are, if I refuse to answer a question or I can't answer a question, I must put more hot sauce into my noodle bowl. I have no idea when the questions will come. They will just be sent via text. So let's do it. Put it down. What's this one? Okay. So this one is hot chicken carbonara. Okay. Let's see. No, it really doesn't look anything like carbonara. It's like instant noodle and then there's like this weird carbonara-ish flavor at the end. What was the best phase of your life? You know what? I am 40 this year and I actually think coming into 40 really is the best place to be. I mean, I love it. You're not so worried about so many, I don't know, like superficial things that you're worried about when you were younger. I feel like I'm in a good place because I can literally just eat spicy noodles for a job. Yum, that's kind of good. Chickeny, a little cheesy. It is spicy already. Oh my goodness. That's already, is this the mild bowl? Oh God, I'm gonna die. Okay. Who was your favorite cartoon character when you were a kid? Astro Girl. Do we have more noodles? This is getting up there. What is your least favorite country? I like all the countries. Do I have to put the sauce in? Okay, I'll put the hot sauce on. All right. I don't know how hot it is. Am I supposed to put a lot on? Yeah, that's hot. Ow. Hot sauce is burning my lips already. What emotion do you experience the most? Oh my goodness, these are like the most personal questions anyone has ever asked me. I do laugh very loudly. I'm pretty happy most of the time.
Charlie, I was making chicken.
Yeah, they're all there.
I would say. Tim, my husband, would probably disagree. Buldak is this flavor. Buldak is fire chicken. It usually has like a cheesy element to it, but it's spicy. Yeah, this one's getting, this one's hot. Ooh. I don't know, it's like, it's a double whammy, whatever kind of whammy it is, but like I'm eating so many mouthfuls and it's getting increasingly hotter and it's a burn, it's definitely burning. Okay, what is this? If you're allowed to have a hall pass, who would it be with? A whole lot of options are running through my brain right now. I probably would go with Ryan Reynolds. Dax, what is that face? Cherie's like, yeah. Even Jimbo's like, yeah. No, Jimbo's like, yeah, I'd hit that up. I'd hit that. Dax is obviously, Ryan Reynolds is not for you.
Let's hit the waves, bro.
Oh my goodness, I actually am starting to get a little bit of a sore tummy. Maybe it was. Okay, I can do this. It's spicy. Oh, yeah, that's yeah, that's spicy. It's spicy, but it's kind of a good spicy. Oh, it's a bit, yeah. But I am still enjoying it. I think it's quite good. Like the spice level, not too bad. Wow, okay. It's starting to give me a headache now. Is that a problem? If you could be in a boxing match with any content creator, who would it be with? Okay, let's see. I'm having a hard time remembering my own name at the moment, let alone other content creators. Okay, maybe, I don't know. Do you know what? I really like, wait, I don't know. Let me just need a moment here. Okay, I would pick, you know what? I would pick Pylin from Hot Thai Kitchen because I feel like we wouldn't box. We could just eat Thai food together and we wouldn't mind.
That's not an answer. Get over the hot sauce. Get over the hot sauce.
Who am I going to want to box though? I don't like boxing people. I really, you know, Hot Thai Kitchen was one of my very first original YouTube channels that I really liked. It's coming out. I don't even know why I'm trying to get it out. Why am I trying to get it out? Oh God, I really don't want to eat this mouthful. Oh God. Okay, that's really hot. Oh my goodness. Okay. 3 times spicy? Are you kidding me? 3 times spicy? Oh my God. This is 3 times spicy. It's a limited edition. It's nice. Great. Oh, that's really hot. Wow. Wow, that's hot. Okay. I reckon that is up there with, with one of the spiciest things I've ever eaten. We haven't even got to the spicy one yet. Oh, I have to like gear myself up. And when like the juices start running, the juices are running. Oh my goodness. Okay, I reckon I'm gonna have another one. I'm trying not to get it on the outside of my lips. I just failed. Oh my God, it's so hot. Oh my God, I really am crying here, but now I can't touch my eyes because my hands are spicy too. What annoys you the most about people? Oh my God, everyone is annoying me right now. Okay, I know what annoys me about people. Literally, I get really annoyed when people put greasy finger marks on salt and pepper shakers, fridges, like, you know, when you're in the kitchen, you go to grab something and it's greasy and it's disgusting. And like, just wash your hands, people. Wash your hands. Literally. Honestly, when I get a greasy pepper shaker, I am really angry. If Dax was a food, what food would he be and why? Okay, I think Dax would be a lovely, fluffy, pink cupcake because he's just the nicest cameraman in the world. Dax's head. Oh my God, these look terrifying. Ghost pepper, spicy chicken. Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh my God, that is so hot. Holy shit. Oh my God, that's really bad. That is not even enjoyable. I'm gonna go again though. It's actually strangely addictive. As long as you don't get it on the outside of your mouth. Oh, you know that thing where you can hear, like feel the explosions going on in your brain? Maybe that's not a good thing. I'm gonna have one more. Oh, there is a question too. Oh my goodness, I can't even think straight. This is so hot. If you had to pick between Thailand and Australia, which would it be? Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm literally about to start crying. I might have to do, oh my God, you're gonna make me do the hot sauce, aren't you? Oh, Dax, but I can't pick between the two. So what if I can't? I guess that means I can't answer the question. Oh, I wish I had a favorite right now. If I choose Thailand, literally like a whole bunch of like Thailand Asian ancestors that are gonna come smack me. Oh God, but then I don't want to offend the whole of Australia. Oh God, okay. Has the spicy noodle challenge ever killed anyone before? Going everywhere but on the noodles. All right, I can do this. Oh, I feel like my throat is expanding. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I hope the questions aren't going to be any harder now. Has anyone ever finished this bowl before? Oh God. Oh God. Is this the end? Tell me this is the end. Oh my goodness, this has to be the end. I can't eat anymore. All right, so my mouth is actually on fire. But if you guys would like to participate in our next question challenge, oh my goodness, I just have some milk. Then please ask your questions below and we'll include them in the next challenge. Oh my God, is it the end yet? I think it's the end. It's the end. I'm not doing anymore. That's my version of mic drop.